Today we will start multiple Bell 430 helicopters with the Titan Box GPU on a single charge. The Bell 430 is an American-Canadian twin-engine light-medium helicopter built by Bell Helicopters. It is powered by two Rolls-Royce Allison 250 turboshaft engines.
Check the voltage drop. 1922 volts. Go. Strong. Wicked strong. It's strong. As soon as it settles, I'm going to start again. Okay, it settles, starting number 2. Take the voltage drop and hold it. 22. Starting engine 2. Take back to the button.
All the engine starts were performed with the generators off. The Titan Box was used to start all 6 turbine engines on a single charge.
Terug op dat. Okay.
I'm opening the throttle. I'm going to do a FedEx start with a hot temperature. Okay. All right. Clear right, clear left. There we go. Okay. It's hard. That was less than 5 seconds. Yeah. And it's retaining in the green now. And I do the same with engine 2.
FADEC is an acronym for Full Authority Digital Engine Control, a computer-managed aircraft ignition and engine control system used in modern aircraft to control all aspects of engine performance digitally in place of technical controls.
Okay, opening the throttle, fading start on engine 2, hot start. Here we go. Five seconds. Yeah. Fading didn't abort to start with. The first one was 3 seconds in the red, the second one was 5.
This graph shows the capacity replaced to the battery after the start of the 6 turbine engines of the Bell 430 helicopters. The total capacity drained from the Titan box during the start procedures is only 27.5% or 11 amp-hours of the total capacity of the Titan box. With this information, it is clear that the Titan box will be able to do a further 8 to 9 engine starts on the same charge. Contact Mega Titan Power or one of our distributors for technical or sales information.